Today's Bible verse comes from 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 18, King James Version. While we look not at the things which are seen, but at the things which are not seen. For the things which are seen are temporal, but the things which are not seen are eternal. 2 Corinthians 4:18 encourages believers to focus on eternal, spiritual realities rather than temporary, physical ones, because what is seen is temporary, but what is unseen is eternal. In the face of hardship, this perspective shift looking at the unseen provides hope and sustains believers through trials. The verse is a call to live by faith and fix one's eyes on the everlasting glory of God, which far outweighs present suffering. Here's a short explanation of the verse. Number 1. What is seen is temporary. This refers to the physical, visible world, including its hardships, troubles, and the decay of the body. It includes all that is transient and will eventually pass away. Number 2. What is unseen is eternal. This refers to the spiritual and eternal realities that cannot be perceived by sight, such as God's presence, faith, and the future glory of life with Him. These are the things that last forever. Number 3. The action. So we fix our eyes not on what is seen. It is command to actively direct one's focus and thoughts towards the spiritual and everlasting realities, rather than getting bogged down by the immediate circumstances of the visible world. Number 4. The result. This perspective is crucial for not losing heart during suffering, as it provides hope and strength by comparing momentary troubles to the immense and lasting glory of God that is come. Amen.